Hello again, everyone. I'm just here with a quick unboxing of a new fountain pen. New to me fountain pen. These have been out for a little while, I think. This is the Visconti Breeze, which is kind of the lowest end pen that Visconti offers. And I found it with a pretty good discount. They were having a sale on these at Pen Chalet. So I'll go ahead and put a link to this product below. I think they only had a couple colors left because they were discounting them. And then I put, in addition to the discount, I put a 10% off coupon on top of that. So it was actually a pretty good deal. So I'm not going to be inking this up today just because I don't have enough time to do that today. But I will do a follow-up of this one and some other fountain pens. I'm probably due to do another fountain pen favorites. I've been trying to do them roughly monthly, but I don't know if this one will even make the cut, so we'll see. But I've been trying to do some follow-ups on some fountain pens if I like them. So let's go ahead and get in here and I will show you what this looks like. And this is actually my first Visconti. I would love to have a higher end Visconti, but that's just really not in my budget right now. This seems really packed in there. Let's see. Okay, there we go. I'm going to, it's like a little nested box here. Oh, yeah, that's fine. Okay. So here, oh, and it's just open. Like that. I thought for sure it would have like another lid. So here is the warranty information from Visconti. I've heard that there could be some issues with some variability in the nibs with these. I think I ordered a broad, but I'll have to take a look because I can't remember. I'm trying to see if there's something, sorry for the banging, trying to see if there's something underneath here. No, it's just empty. So whatever's in the pen is all you get here. So I'm gonna go ahead and put this all aside. I would love to get one of the higher end Viscontis, if for no other reason than they're really beautiful pens. But I thought that this would be a good way to try it out. It's a steel nibbed pen. And I have been tempted to try their Van Gogh model, which is kind of a step above this, but still not as much as their higher end pens, obviously. I got the blueberry color in this, I think, yeah, Breeze Blueberry, which I thought to me was the prettiest color of the colors they had available. So anyway, going back to the Van Gogh has a metal grip, which I'm not sure how I feel about that. So, and it has both the Van Gogh and this one have a magnetic closure, which seems pretty nice. I mean, it seems pretty firmly on there when it's closed, but if you just give it a little push, it seems to come right off. Let's see. Oh yes, I did get a bold. Okay. This has such a tiny little nib on there. That's probably how they're able to offer it for less expensive. It seems like the smaller the nib, the more expensive the pen. But it looks like it's really good quality from what I can see. Let's see. We'll see how it goes. But anyway, I have heard that there's some variability in the nib sizing. Like sometimes people will complain about a medium writing like a fine, or a fine writing like a medium, or, you know, variation on that. So I got a broad just because I wanted to, I've been gravitating more towards broad nibbed pens, and I'd heard some reviews that said that this in a broad was really, really good. So that's why I got the broad. But but like I was saying, the Van Gogh has a metal grip, and this one has a plastic grip, which I like the idea of that more. It actually feels really nice in the hand. Let's see. I've also heard that there may be some issues with scratching with the pen posted, but it actually feels a little back heavy with the pen, the top posted. The little pen clip kind of comes out there. I don't think you can really snap it up other than just by lifting it, but it seems to have a pretty good design there. I'm going to go ahead and open up the body here. And yes, I was wondering actually if it came with a converter. So it does. So that's very nice. I prefer that over companies providing cartridges because, you know, it's kind of a crapshoot as to whether I'll or not I'll ever use cartridges that some companies include. So this is really pretty, and it has this, it has breeze, breeze, breeze written all around here. It's really quite a nice pen. I like the feel of it. I think that I probably will write with this unposted. I think with a little bit of extra weight with the ink, it'll be nice. Let's see. So you might have a little bit of a rough edge here because it looks like this is probably injection molded as opposed to shaped. Because I can see a little bit of a line that they've tried to polish down, but it's still there a little bit, like right here. Although I'm not really feeling it until I get to the very end. But yeah, the pen itself is quite pretty. So I'm looking forward to trying this out and letting you all know what I think about it. And we'll see. I'm excited to have my first Visconti, even if it is a lower end Visconti. So I'm happy to add this to my collection and try it out someday soon. Just not today because I just don't have the time to do that today. All right, so I will do a follow-up with this. My goodness, I can't speak. It's the beginning of the week. I was going to say it's been a long week, but it's only just begun. So I will do a follow-up review or just a follow-up generally about this pen at some point because I would like to see how it writes. Sometimes if I have a bunch of different pens that I want to show you all and test, I will just sort of do them all in one video and have them already loaded up with ink or do a dip test. So we'll see what happens. But I did want to show you that. And it seems like it has been on sale at a few different websites, but I'll give you the link to Pen Chalet below. All right, well, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a like. Feel free to subscribe so you can keep track of future videos. I hope to see you next time, but in the meantime, have a great day. Thanks so much. Bye.